Hey everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful hat. Make a magic circle. Insert your hook into this yarn. Take this yarn on your hook. Pull up yarn. Make one loop. Turn it. Hide this yarn, tail of yarn under a stitch. Make one chain. Make single crochet stitch in this ring. 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5, 6, 7, 7 single crochet in here. With this first chain we have 8 stitches in first round. Join these yarns together, pull through, slip a stitch, make one chain, go to first stitch, make one single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1, 2 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1, 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet in each stitch like this. Go to last stitch, make 1, 2 single crochet, go to first stitch, slip stitch. Now we have 16 stitches in second round. Make one chain, go to first stitch, make 1 single crochet. We have 2 stitches in first stitch. Go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1, 2 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, next stitch, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and continue like this. 2 1 2 1 single crochet in stitches, 2 1 2 1. Make 1 single crochet in last stitch. Now we have 24 stitches in this round. Go to first chain, slip a stitch, make 1 chain, go to first stitch, 1 single crochet, go to this stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet like this, 1 1, make 2 single crochet in here, 1 2, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and continue like this. 1 1 2 1, 1, 2, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in this stitch and go to first chain, slip stitch. In third round we have 32 stitches. Make 1 chain, go to first stitch, make 1 single crochet in next stitch, 1 single crochet in next stitch, 1 single crochet in next stitch. Now we have 2 stitches in first stitch, 1 2 3 single crochet in next 3 stitches and continue like this. 2 single crochet, 1 1 1 single crochet, 1 2 single crochet, 1 1 1 single crochet and continue for this round. In this round we have 40 stitches. Go to first stitch, slip stitch, make a chain, go to first stitch, make 1 single crochet, make 1 single crochet in each stitch 4 times like this. 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet in first stitch, 1 2 3 4 single crochet in each stitch. Go to this make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, make 1 2 3 4 single crochet in next stitches and continue for this round. A slip stitch. In this round we have 40 stitches. Make 1 chain, 1 single crochet in first stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 single crochet in next stitches. Go to this stitch, make 1 2 single crochet and make 1 2 3 4 5 single crochet in these stitches. And continue 1 2 single crochet in this stitch, make 1 chain, 1 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 single crochet, increase in this stitch, 1 2 single crochet and repeat 6 single crochet in here, 2 single crochet and continue for this round. A slip stitch, make 1 chain, make 1 double crochet in each stitch like this, 1 double crochet in each stitch and continue like this for more rows. After This rows 12. I crochet 12 more rows. One single crochet in each stitch and continue like this. A slip stitch in this side, marked one stitch, go to any stitch, marked a stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 stitches in here, marked this stitch like this. Make one chain, one single crochet in first stitch, one single crochet in next stitches like this until marked stitch. Go to marked stitch, make one, two single crochet, marked first stitch in here. Go to next stitch, make one single crochet in each stitch. Go to mark a stitch, make one, two single crochet, mark this stitch, go to next stitch, make one single crochet in each stitch, a slip stitch, continue same as before round, make one single crochet in each stitch, one single crochet in each stitch from until this mark the stitch, go to this stitch, make one single crochet, two single crochet, three single crochet, like this, three single crochet, make one single crochet in each stitch, make one single crochet, one single crochet, two single crochet, three, single crochet, go to next stitch, make one single crochet in each stitch, a slip stitch, make one chain, one single crochet in each stitch, make one single crochet in each stitch until these three stitches, go to this stitch, make one, two, single crochet in first stitch of these 3 stitches. Go to this stitch, make 1 2 like this, single crochet, make 1 single crochet in each stitch until these second 3 stitches. Make 1 2 single crochet in first stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 2 single crochet and make 1 single crochet in each stitch like this. A slip stitch, make 1 chain, make 1 single crochet in each stitch for more rows. One single crochet in each stitch, a slip stitch. I show in here we have 2 single crochet in this stitch and 3 single crochet between these 2 stitches, and increase 1 single crochet in this stitch and make 1 single crochet in each stitch for 2 rows. I show from here a slip stitch in last round, turn it like this, make 1 slip stitch in each stitch from back of work like this, make 1 slip stitch, make 1 slip stitch in each stitch, round hat. Make a slip stitch, go to first chain,